At Erase.com, we offer the best reputation management services to help you reshape your digital presence. Over the years, we've helped thousands of happy clients become their best self online, and we want to help you too. With our online reputation management service, we just watch so many of our clients go from this to this in as little as 12 weeks, and we help hundreds more every month fix their online reputation for a better future. Listen, your reputation is your currency, and every minute you let negative content sit there, you're bleeding opportunity. Confidence collapses, deals die. Hesitation creeps in. Relationships sour and crumble. Trust evaporates instantly. Momentum stops cold. Opportunities you should have owned slip away. Why do our clients choose us over our competitors? At Erase.com, we suppress and remove that negative content fast and rebuild the reputation you deserve, so you can get back to winning. Don't just take our word for it. Pause to read how Erase.com has helped our clients regain control of their online reputation. Take the first step toward a cleaner, more accurate online reputation. Get started today at Erase.com.